Good morning, gremlins. Look at this. Yo. The snow. It's as high as the table. The little chair that was there, gone. Oh my goodness. This is crazy. How am I supposed to get out of the house? Oh my god, this icicle. Don't forget to be grateful, thankful, appreciative, and thank God for every day. Look at the dogs. Oh, they're not gonna. Oh, la român să aveți o zi bună și o zi binecuvântată, cu credință și cu nădejde înainte. Și să aveți o săptămână ușoară. Oh my goodness, the dogs. Oh my goodness. Oh, wow. That's crazy. That's actually crazy. Anyways, I'm working from home today. This is crazy. Today is gym day, but where's the other cars look? Oh man, I'm gonna go to the gym after work because this is insanity. My nose is stuffy. Ugh. Yeah, I'm not going to the gym today. Oh. Where am I going today? The gym? How am I getting there? Oh my god. How am I getting anywhere? How am I getting out? Oh yeah, the word of the day. Ce faci? What did I say? Ce faci? Unde ești? Cum ești? Oh, unde mergem? Unde ești? Where are you? The dogs are having so much fun. That cat. Unde ești is where are you? Unde ești? Yeah, honestly, I'm trying to figure... I gotta go. I gotta figure out how I'm getting out of this driveway, and I need to go shovel that snow. So, I can't even get to the shovel. Oh my god. Oh my god. Anyways, have a great day. Bye. I love you. I've decided, since I can't get out, that my gym today is gonna be getting these cars out of the snow. Cause what? Yo. Look at, like, first of all, that's from the road. I need to get that car out. Then I need to get my car out. I need to shovel the front of that. And that. And then get all the snow off of that. And then I gotta get that white car back here. Oh my god. So that's my gym today. I'm not going nowhere else. That's the gym today. That's gonna be the workout today. Because I can't. That can't.